In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter RSP contributions and deductions in TurboTax Canada. To get started, open your return and head to the Deductions and Credits area. In TurboTax Canada, this is the section where you'll find many of the tax-saving items you can claim, and it's where RSP information is usually entered. If you're using a version of the software that separates things a little differently, you may also see a dedicated RRSP section. Either way, you're looking for the place where retirement savings contributions are reported. Once you're there, select RRSP contributions and deductions. This is the part of the return that allows you to record the amounts you contributed and helps the software calculate how those contributions can be used on your tax return. It's important to choose the correct section so your RRSP details are applied properly and your deduction is calculated accurately. Now enter the contributions you made during the tax year along with any contributions made in the first 60 days of the current year. This distinction matters because in Canada, contributions made in those first 60 days can often still be reported for the previous tax year. The software will usually ask for these amounts separately. So take a moment to enter each figure carefully exactly as shown on your tax slips or contribution receipts. As you do this, make sure you're entering contribution amounts, not just deduction amounts you plan to claim. In many cases, the software will help determine how much of your available RRSP contributions should be deducted this year. That can be especially helpful if you want to optimize your return based on your income and overall tax situation. A good tip here is to have all of your RRSP receipts ready before you begin. That includes receipts for contributions made during the calendar tax year and any receipts for contributions made in the first 60 days of the following year. Entering everything at once helps reduce mistakes and makes it easier to review your numbers before moving on. After entering the information, it's always a good idea to review the amounts one more time for accuracy. Even a small typo can affect your deduction and your final tax result. Once everything is entered correctly, you can continue through the rest of your return knowing your RRSP contribution details have been recorded in the right place.